What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tasha with YNS Hair, back once again. But first of all, I want to welcome you guys back to my channel. Thank you all for all your support and everything that you're giving me, comments and sharing my videos. I just want to tell you guys thank you. In this video, you see me at the beginning holding up some hair, which is called No Brand. It is some old no brand type of hair that I found in the beauty supply store, and I just wanted to try it out and make my own personal wig. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna briefly go over and show you, talk with you on detail on how I completed this look. So what I'm doing now is pinning the frontal onto my mannequin head, which underneath my frontal I have a wig cap. And so I'm actually placing the hairpins in the area that I need them in so that it can keep the frontal flat and stationed. So I gave you the thumbs up, letting you know that I got that front correct. And now I'm proceeding with the back. You don't want it to be lumpy. You want to keep it smooth and flat on top of your wig cap. Okay, now that I got the front correct, I am doing a few lines on the back. With the lines are kind of like thumb length in between each line, because as I'm sewing my wig cap, I'm gonna need the space. So I kind of like that little space in my wigs. You guys have never seen me sewing a wig before, but this is something else that I do. I'm pretty talented, not bragging or anything, but I'm very talented. And I've been in the hair field for so many years, like 25 years now, and counting. And so in the top area, you know, that space is a little bit bigger than I usually take it. I just don't want it to be too heavy on the back. I want it to be kind of evenly all the way through. And also these white lines, they really help, like when you're working with the sewing machine, because you actually can see, you know, where you're going. So it's very good to use the white liner. It doesn't stay long after you put your hair down. It kind of vanishes. But next, what I'm doing here is I'm gonna go ahead and stitch the wig, stitch the frontal onto my wig cap. And for you guys at home, this is so fun and relaxing to me. I love working with hair and making wigs, and it's something that I love to do. And so now that I've gotten the frontal attached to my wig cap, I'm gonna go and start sewing. And so what I did here, I didn't sew too like normally you would sew. You would hold your hair together and sew it together. I didn't do that this time. I just decided to just stitch one piece at a time, you know, back and forth repeatedly across my wig cap, instead of doing double to double. So for those of you that are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to share my videos. And if you know me, guys, I don't really like to talk all the way through the video. So I think I pretty much have told you everything that you need to know in order to make your own wig. It's pretty basic. You're gonna go back and forth across the wig cap. And you just follow the outline that, I like to do the outline regardless how long I've been sewing. I still like to do the outline because I like to be able to see where I'm laying my stitch. I like to see where my hair is positioned and, all over my wig cap. But anyway, you guys, and then after this, I'm going to do pretty much highlights on the cap, on the wig, on the hair. I'm sorry, I'm going to do highlights. And then after I do the highlights, I'm going to cut it and curl it. So, guys, stay tuned and continue to support YNS Hair. You guys have an awesome day and enjoy the video. Goodbye.